Hi, this is Dee with Brown Girls Trade 2. My channel focuses on helping other black and brown girls like myself increase their financial literacy, learn to invest in the stock market, and create financial freedom for themselves through investing. Welcome to my channel. In my last video, we talked about maximizing our savings by putting our money into high-yield savings accounts. That would provide us with a passive form of income in the form of interest. When I covered those 5 companies, I had 5 different things that were important to me as far as getting a new account. So the requirements were that the account be FDIC insured. When we had some regional bank failures and there was a possible run on certain banks, there was a question about whether all of those accounts would be able to be insured. And so I just wanted to make sure that that was something that was attached to the accounts that I mentioned. 2 was that there were no minimum deposits. 3 was that there was no minimum balance. 4, there were no fees. And 5, that we got a good interest rate. Those were the requirements that I had. If you go and pull things from bankrate.com, you'll see that there are other companies listed there, other accounts. Those accounts I did not include for a few reasons. One, it could be that it was a regional bank. I tried to stay away from regional banks because earlier in the year we had some regional bank failures, and I don't want our money to be in jeopardy. Another reason would be because some of those are issued by credit card companies. Now, there's nothing wrong with the interest rate. As a matter of fact, some of those interest rates are actually higher than the banks that I chose. I got a specific question about accounts issued by credit card companies. Now, some of those credit card companies are going to be American Express or they're going to be Discover. Now, those are fine interest rates. The problem that I have with them is that when the Fed raises interest rates, those accounts don't tend to track or follow the interest rate that the Fed lists, right? And so they'll go up slower, but then they will drop the rate faster than the Fed does. So that is the reason I stay away from accounts issued by credit card companies. Other than that, they're just fine. It could be that it was a money market account. Now, money market accounts generally require a minimum deposit. Some of those deposits can be as low as $100. I saw some that were $5,000 minimum, $10,000, and even as high as $25,000. If you've got that kind of money and you don't mind maintaining that balance, those may work for you. One other thing you'll see in bankrate.com, the companies that are listed with their accounts, some of them will provide you with a teaser rate just to get you in the door, right? So they'll put this very large interest rate up there, and then a few months later, that interest rate will go down, or you'll find out that there is a minimum required balance to maintain that rate. So those are the reasons I did not include some of the accounts listed in bankrate.com. One other thing, I'm going to include a compounding interest calculator in the description of this video. Use that as a tool for yourself to see what a 0.01% interest rate looks like versus a 4% interest rate, or 3.8 or whatever you find, and add money into it just to see what that looks like over time. I hope it helps. I hope that I've cleared those things up. So with the 5 banks that I listed last week, as well as the banks that you'll find on bankrate.com, whether they're issued by a credit card company or a regional bank, you've got the information now. So it's completely up to you, obviously, to make the best decision for yourself, whether one of those accounts will be suitable for you. Now, if you've gotten any value out of this, please do me a favor, like and subscribe to my channel. Go ahead and hit the notification bell so that anytime I produce another video, you receive notice of it. Have a great one, and thanks for watching.